In today's video, I will guide you through how to find best deal on Amazon. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorial. First, open your Amazon account, and second thing, you have to set up the location. So all the deals around your location will be show up here. And if you want to find the best deal, click the today's deal option in the top bar menu, and all the deals will be appeared here. And one more special thing is, click on this lighting deals. This is the best tool Amazon ever produced to save so much money of Amazon shoppers. You can see a huge tons of deal with a huge discount. The second method is search the deal on search bar. So for example, if you want to buy a laptop, type it as a laptop and type deal keyword along with that. So all the laptop with a deal will be listed down here, and you can pick the deal according to you and filter out from the filters. The third method, search for a discount. For example, if I am buying a laptop and type the laptop with discount keyword along with that. So all the discounted laptops are listed down here. The fourth method you can save money from Amazon product is through Amazon warehouse. Go to the Amazon homepage and you can see option called all next to your search bar. Tap on that and go to the Amazon warehouse, and you can type the product which you like to buy. In my case, I'm typing jewelries, and all the jewelries are listed down. You can see the price difference for original and the actual price right now. See, there's a new price is 168. It's like conditions like used like new, and with the price 34. This way you can find like a good deals for a lower price. And I have a specific tool for this. I'll show you next, that the money saving expert for Amazon warehouse discount. For example, you want to find a laptop for a discount price, type the laptop, and all the laptop related discounts are appear here. So this way you can filter out all the discount and pick a best deal which is good for yourself. And our video also ending from here. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos.